Many learners of English face the decision at some point. Should I learn a British accent or an American accent? Do I want to sound like a Hollywood movie star? You jump, I jump, right? Or a British intellectual?
Hello, I'm Dr. Bean.
In this video, you will know the major differences between American and British pronunciations. 1. Difference in the shape of mouth. In American English, the lips are relaxed and the mouth is wider. American English speakers use the muscles further back in the mouth to create the sounds. Can I have a cup of water? In contrast, British English is much more frontal. It creates more tension on your lips and the cheeks. Can I have a cup of water? Water, water, 油油的，滑滑的。Water, water, 干干的，脆脆的。2. Differences in consonant sounds. The most obvious difference between American and British English is the R sound. Brits only pronounce the R sound if there's a vowel sound after it. In American English, every R sound is pronounced. Roast dinner will be pork, carrots, and turnips. Wait, what's a dinner? Pork, carrots, and turnips. The T sound. When T appears between two vowels, American speakers often make a voice flap, like a very fast D. Water, fighter, got it. In British English, this would be pronounced as a regular T. Water, fighter, got it. Betty's daughter's butter is better than tomorrow's or Matt's. Betty's daughter's butter is better than tomorrow's or Matt's. 3. Differences in vowel sounds. Most vowel sounds are similar in American and British pronunciations, except for these sounds. O versus O. In British English, the diphthong O starts in the center of the mouth. Go, no. But in American English, it starts to the back. O, go, no. Hi. Don't throw stones over the road. Oh, but I love throwing stones over the road. Versus For words like heard, first, worst, American speakers produce a R quality. Heard, first, worst, while Brits omit the R sound. Heard, first, worst. The early bird murders the worm. You know what? The early worm gets murdered by the bird. Are you the worm or the bird? Ah versus R and ah. British vowel ah is pronounced as R in American English. If there's R in the spelling, British speakers say car, start, after, and American speakers say car, start, after. Pass these parts to Master Carter. Okay, I will pass these parts to Master Carter. Versus air. British long vowel air is pronounced air in American English. In British English, you say hair, bear, wear. In American English, you say hair, bear, wear. The spare chair's there. Where's the spare chair? By the stairs. Oh, by the stairs. O versus or, ah. British vowel O, found in words like sword, force, thought, is pronounced as or ah in American English. Sword, force, thought. I caught 4 walkers talking Norse. You caught 4 walkers talking Norse. Ear versus air. British English ear in words like stare, chair is pronounced air in American. Stare, chair. I fear the deer is near here. Don't fear, the deer is not here. O versus ah. In words like shop, lost, or want, British speakers round the lips. Shop, lost, want. While American speakers open their mouths wider. Shop, lost, want. John wants a stopwatch. Why does John want a stopwatch? Now you know the major differences between British and American accents. Which one are you supposed to follow? Well, it's up to you. In fact, British and American English have far more similarities than differences. Most Brits and Americans can fully understand each other. If you can understand one style, it'll be easy for you to understand the other style. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm Xia Bingbao. See you next time. Bye bye.